everyone, welcome back to another video. Now this is how to fix your tech. Now this is going to be the last actual how to fix your tech video for the year. I will have a channel update on Christmas, but that's going to talk more about it. But anyway, today I thought I would make a video on how to fix CDs not playing in Windows 10. Now it's a problem that was caused by Microsoft. They eliminated the codec for MP for any CD files. So when you try and open a CD, it's only going to give you the files inside. You're not going to be able to play it. Now, as annoying as that is, it's very easy to fix. It only requires a few little downloads. But anyway, sorry about the late upload, guys. I literally am making this video right now on the day that it's going to get uploaded. I forgot yesterday, but it's alright because it's going to happen for the last video. But anyway, let's roll the intro. Alright everyone, so the first thing you need to do is go into your desired browser. I'll use Chrome. And what you need to search up is VLC Media Player. Alright, so don't go to the ad here. Go down to this one that says www.videoland.org. They're the people who created VLC. Alright, so from here, what you want to do is click on, look down here. If you haven't got Windows, click this, and then you'll find out what you've got. I've got Windows 64-bit, so I'll just click on that, and it should download it. And if it didn't work, just click here, but it should work. I actually don't know if it is going to work or not. I'll just click it. Alright, there we go. So it's a really quick download because it's only an application, so for 40 megabytes it's going to take near to nothing, especially if you live out of Australia where the internet sucks. And once it's done, just click on it to open it. Now in a moment, I know you can't see this, but it's the user account control. It asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. And then what you should find is this. So what you need to do is click, it's recommended you close all your applications. I'm not going to close OBS because it's my screen recording software. Anyway, click next. And then what you want to do is click add, remove, reinstall components. Then here, what you want to do is select all the stuff you want. So I probably just want custom. You might want this. I don't want that. I've already got VLC. It's just for the video. Don't want any plugins. But you want to enable disk playback, audio files, video files, and other, and there we go. And then click next, and it should start installing. Alright, so then you can click finish. I didn't actually know they added that, but that's kind of cool. I'll go and get a non-copyrighted CD, and then we'll play it. Get your CD. Put it in the drive, or the optical drive. Alright, so then you go into File Explorer. You go to this PC, and when you find your DVD, you just right click it, and then go, you would go there. So click that, and there we go. So it should come up fine. But anyway, you can click play, it'll work fine. But yeah. Alright, so it also works if you just click on it now. But anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I helped you out. So that is how you get the ability back to play DVDs in Windows 10. You might come from Windows 7 or Windows 8 and wonder why you can't play DVDs. It's really annoying. There's this great program called VLC that fixes that. But anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. I'll see you next year or in the channel update, so don't miss that, especially the channel update, because you'll see everything that's happening in the future. So if you're interested in this channel, don't mind checking out the channel update, and if you don't want to, I'll see you next year. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next year.